Tell you now that NBA star Kobe Bryant was on board that helicopter and is now dead at the age of 41.
Fred, this is tragic and terrible news. And as people are hearing this news now confirmed by CNN and other news organizations, it is hitting them as just one of the most unthinkable things you could have here. CNN has confirmed this news. Kobe Bryant, 41 years old, had retired just a few years ago from the NBA after a stellar career, one of the greatest ever, Hall of Fame. He played only his entire career with one team, the Lakers, and in many ways he was the Los Angeles Lakers. So when you think of Kobe Bryant, it's sports, but it's more than sports. He was a part of our culture. Olympic teams, Hollywood, the father of 4 daughters. So recently he has been seen at women's sporting events, supporting the U.S. women's soccer team, WNBA games with his girls, and all about the empowerment of young women as well.
I'm in London. I ain't trying to die young, so I gotta ride with one. Still 10 told be judged by 12, then carried by 6. I'ma go post bail, just look at my wrist. Tell me why the legends always gotta die quick.
YouTube. Hope y'all doing good. I just woke up and I hear a lot of people on social media talking about Kobe Bryant passing away in a helicopter. And his kid was in there as well, his son. That's just crazy. That's just crazy. I don't know if this is true or not. I mean, it seems like it's true. A lot of people's talking about it. But if it is true, that's just crazy. Honestly, Kobe Bryant passing away in a helicopter, that sounds kind of fishy. It sounds like a setup. I don't know, man. In a helicopter, I mean, that's rare for someone to pass away in a helicopter. That's crazy. But like I said, if it is true, it's crazy. Kobe Bryant has always been my favorite basketball player since day one. These days, you just never know. You never know when it's your last day, man. That's why, I mean, if you ever catch me, like, in real life, man, like, face to face, like, I don't play around with my time. Like, I don't be bullshitting around. I don't play with my time. My time is very valuable. That's why I don't deal with a lot of bullshit. I don't. Like, I understand the value of my time. And I hope in 2020, y'all understand y'all value y'all time. I mean, because if you see, like, Kobe Bryant passing away at 41? Dog, how old are you guys right now? You know, I'm 26. So that's what, like, about 15 years? If you knew you only had 15 years left to live, I hope that puts some fire under your butt to do what what you desire to do, and stop BSing, man. Stop wasting your time. Like, time is gonna be here forever, you know? I hope something positive can come out of this situation for others, you know? I know a lot of people are gonna be sad about this situation, which it is, but life is gonna still go on, and I hope someone learned a lesson from this situation. even Nipsey Hussle. I know this was not too long ago. This is not too long ago, but Nipsey Hussle passed away. That was one of my favorite rappers, and it's just like, you gotta value your time in 2020. You got to. Yeah, everybody posting about it. That's crazy. Yeah, let me show y'all one of my reminders I keep on my wall. I'm just gonna take it off for right now so I can show y'all. See right here, it says, and value your time, one thing you can't get back. I gotta always remind myself, whenever you're dealing with a situation, any type of situation, you feel me, like anything. You in a relationship, somebody don't value your time, cut, I'm out. I ain't just talking about you got a girlfriend, boyfriend. I'm talking about friends. I'm talking about anybody can get cut, you know? Because the time is so valuable. And if someone not valuing your time, chop, you gotta go. You feel me? That means they don't respect their time. And you hanging out with somebody that don't respect their time, what you think they gonna respect your time for? You feel me? It's one thing you can't get back is your time. You feel me? And people play around with it like it's useless. You feel me? So everything that y'all want to do in this world, man, I hope y'all take it to the next level and be happy through the process. It's gonna be some hard times, but be happy through the process and realize, like, enjoy your life, you know. Enjoy it, man. The time is now. You haven't started your YouTube channel, you start today. You know, I don't know what y'all want to do, but do something. Do something. Stop sitting on the couch watching TV, watching somebody else's life. Stop sitting down just watching movies of other people. Live your goddamn life. You feel me? Like, don't play around with your time, because you cannot get that back. Cannot.